school year. Oh, no noise, listen. What's exciting is, instead, at the end of the year, every grade level has their own awards presentation. So today is our final school-wide one, but every grade level does their own at the end of the school year. So, I want to remind you why we're here today and how we are earning engineering awards and Trailblazers. And then, after that, everyone will be settled and we'll do the Pledge of Allegiance. So, the reason we do Trailblazer Assemblies and Engineering Awards is to honor students who are being trailblazers as far as meeting all of our Jamerson expectations. These are also called Guidelines for Success. We call them Jamerson expectations here. So let's review them. We are going to be respectful, be kind, be responsible, be your best, and be safe. Those students who are doing those things every day in their classrooms and in music and in PE and in specials are honored with Trailblazer Awards. So this is our big assembly where we celebrate students who are meeting our Jamerson expectations most of the time. Nobody's perfect, right? But most of the time. Then our engineering awards are given to students who are being thoughtful engineers. They're problem solving, they're using the engineer design process. When their engineering projects don't work out, they try again, they persevere. So the engineering awards are given to those students who are demonstrating that they are thoughtful engineers. So that's the reason we do these assemblies, if you didn't know before. I probably should have started the year with that, right? Okay, so today, let's stand and say the pledge to get our morning started. The flag is over there. Remember, you are following Jamerson expectations. Waiting. Your voices are off if you are being respectful. You are being respectful right now to our country and our flag.
Stand up, please.
You are standing. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. That was wonderful. Seated, being respectful. Today we're going to try something new because I know we really like to clap for students who are earning things. But if we take a bunch of time and do a bunch of claps, it takes a long time to get through. So what I want to do today, I'm going to model, you're going to watch, then you're going to practice. After I read a student's name, we're going to do 2 claps. Watch, watch, ready? Practice one more time. Perfect. And then once I get through the whole grade level, then we can cheer and clap more for everybody at the grade level. Thumbs up if you understand. Oh, this group did so much better than my last group. I had to repeat and practice so many times with them. So thank you for listening and being respectful. Are we ready to get started? Yeah. Perfect. So I need our pre-K friends and our first graders to come on up. Teachers, I'm going to announce the students I need who are extra that you may not know about. So those would be, I need Freddie from first grade, I need Rex from first grade, and I need Ezra from first grade. They're going to come up and sit on the steps. You're being respectful. I want first grade kind of in the middle, in front of me. Scoot together, scoot together, scoot together. And pre-K, scoot together. If a child is not here when I call your name and you're not sitting here, you'll just get up and come up and join us.
Turn around, face the stage.
And if a child's not here, we still do 2 claps for them, right? Wait till I'm done saying the name to clap. Students on the steps, when I say your name, you're going to stand up, and Mr. Hefty is going to give you your certificate. So we'll get started. Our terrific Trailblazer Awards, our first one is pre-K from Miss Castelluccio, Rowan D. Rowan, stand up. Oh no, 2 claps. Right together. Try it again. Perfect. Next up is Emily O. She's not in here. She's with Miss Ellis, but we'll get it to her. Next up, I'm going to do our art trailblazer from Miss Ermis. Goes to Freddie Z. PE trailblazer goes to Rex R. You guys are so good at that. Great job. Next up, music trailblazer is Ezra G from Mrs. Hill. And now we'll start with classrooms. Our trailblazer from Mrs. Carson's class is Janaya E. From Miss Freilig's classroom, Cassidy C. Cassidy, stand if you're here. From Miss Anderson's classroom, we have Amir F. Mrs. Whipple's trailblazer is Harper H. Mrs. Wilson's trailblazer is Nathan H. And then Miss Kate and Miss Dean, I missed this one. So Darren, if you're not up here, come on up. Darren S. Not here today. Okay. So Darren S. got terrific trailblazer from Mrs. Kate and Miss Dean. We'll get that to Miss Anderson. Perfect. All right, moving on to engineering awards. We have Adora U from Mrs. Parsons. From Miss Freilich, her engineer is Antonio G. Mrs. Wilson's engineering award goes to Callie P. Did I say it right, Callie? Our engineering award from Mrs. Whipple is Braden W. Mrs. Anderson's engineer is Lacey B. Our pre-K engineers are Henry D. and Jacob T. Awesome, you guys did so great. Okay, now let's clap for all of them and give them a big round of applause. First grade students, we want a picture. Second grade, if you can start sending your students up along the edges, and I'll announce your extras that I need. Anaya. Okay, second grade, I also need Anaya and Sarah, Amelia. Second grade students, come on up, have a seat in the middle. Mr. Robinson students, you may not know who you are. Sarah C. Sarah C, sorry. So Mr. Robinson students, I don't know if he was able to leave a list, so let me get to you. They're here? Oh, perfect. Good job, Miss Howard. All right, you guys are awesome today. What a great way to start our day. We'll get started with our second grade. Remember, you are being respectful. Voices off, ready to listen. Waiting for a group of students to show me they're ready. Much better, thank you. All right, terrific Trailblazer Award from Miss Kate and Miss Dean is Anaya T. Stand up. Art Trailblazer, Sarah C. from Miss Ermin. PE Trailblazer from Coach Rich is Amelia B. Music Trailblazer from Mrs. Hill is Zyla A. Miss Wilcoxon's Trailblazer is Erin D. Erin, stand up. Miss Giuliano's terrific trailblazer is Zayden G. Mr. Robinson's terrific trailblazers Helen M. Miss Ho's terrific trailblazer Kendall L. Miss Garrett's terrific trailblazer is Mac B. And then we're on to our engineering awards. First engineering award goes to Clara R. Second engineering award goes to Dylan E. from Miss Wilcoxon. Miss Giuliano has Jace W. Mr. Robinson's engineering award goes to Deonta Pierce P. And our last engineering award for second grade goes to Lily W. from Miss Ho. I love, you guys are doing such a good job with our 2 claps. Great job. Now, let's clap for all of our second graders. Fifth grade students, can we start lining up on the edges, please? I will need Jaden. Hezekiah, Zanaya, Aisha. I love how you're just talking quietly with those around you, and then as soon as they're all seated, you're going to look back and be respectful and give us your attention. All right, I think my fifth graders are seated. That means your voices are off. You are being respectful. You are on your bottoms. Your lips are sealed. All right, one more time with 2 claps after their names. Wait till I say their whole name, and then you do your 2 claps. So we'll get started with Trailblazer Awards. Our first one from PE goes to Jaden A. from Coach Hickman. Music Trailblazer from Mrs. Hill is Hezekiah P. Art Trailblazer from Mrs. Ermis is Zanaya C. And then from Miss Kate and Miss Dean, Aisha I. From Miss Murray, we have Demaya G. Terrific Trailblazer from Miss Kincaid is, oh, don't clap till I say the name, Christopher W. Terrific Trailblazer from Mrs. Krause is Mackenzie R. Miss Pratt and Miss O'Hare's terrific trailblazer is Cecilia S. Miss Tuttle's terrific trailblazer is Ruby B. Moving on to engineering awards from 5th grade. From Miss Kincaid, we have Avalyn K. Avalyn. From Miss Krause, we have Elijah C. From Miss Murray, we have Sanaya T. From Miss Pratt and Miss O'Hare, we have Charlie O. And from Miss Tuttle, we have Javarius J. Let's give them all a round of applause, and we'll get together for a picture. And you need to stay tuned because we're doing some special 5th grade announcements today. So let's get a picture and then we'll go on to our next and last thing for today. Okay, fifth graders, you can sit down. I don't even think fifth grade teachers know I'm going to do this, but we have, I'll wait until you're showing me you're being respectful. Second grade students facing forward, voices off. I am going to send some of these fifth grade students back, and I'm going to keep a few and call a few more up, and then I'll explain their special awards we're doing today. So if I don't say your name, go back and sit down. If you're out there and I say your name, please come up. I need Connor Q, Lakshay B, Mackenzie R, Sophia D, Sophia D, Tiana M, Alan L, Annabella P, Hezekiah P, and Mason D. If I didn't say your name and you're up here, go back and sit down. If I said your name, you should be up on the steps. So first and second graders, when you get to fifth grade, we have a lot of special things that we do just for fifth graders. So this group in front of me has earned another award this year, and it's an award they earned through the county, and they were nominated to represent our school at some assemblies, and some of them have no idea. This is a surprise to them. So I'm going to announce what their award is, and then they'll stand up and we'll give them their award. So first of all, in fifth grade, we do what's called Pride Awards, and it is looking at our top scholars, meaning that they're earning really high grades, they're meeting expectations, and they're representing our school as being our top student in this area. So our first one is our Mathematics Pride Award, and it goes to Connor Q. Oh, I know it's exciting, 2 claps. Okay, our Science Pride Award goes to Lakshay B. Our Writing Pride Award goes to Mackenzie R. And our Social Studies Pride Award goes to Sophia D. So those students will come to a Pride Award Assembly, and every school in the county will have students that they've submitted, and they get to go up on a stage in front of a bunch of people and be honored for being our top students in those areas. So if you're in first or second grade and you want to be sitting up here in fifth grade, you've got to work hard now and be learning in your classrooms. And then we have something called the Burl Davis Achievement Awards. And our Burl Davis Achievement Awards, we look for African American students who are excelling in academics, and they are honored for this award. And we have 2 of them this year. We have Tiana M. and we have Alan L. Then we have something called the Maria, and they also, by the way, have to come to an assembly with me, and we go and meet all the other schools, and they go up on a stage and are honored there as well. And same thing, we have the Maria, oh, I'm waiting. I feel like some of you aren't being respectful. We're almost done. So we have the Maria Edmonds Hispanic Achievement Award for students who have a Hispanic background, and so they come to us and they're honored for doing their best work here as well. And so we have 3 of them. They also come to an assembly and they meet up with other students from across the county and get recognized. Our Maria Edmonds Hispanic Achievement Award scholars are Annabella P, Hezekiah P, and Mason D. So those are special 5th grade honors. Let's give them all a big round of applause. And I think Ms. Tinker will do just group of them. So we'll do like our Hispanic Maria Edmonds Achievement Awards, and then we'll do them in separate groups, okay? Mr. Hefty can help organize that. The rest of you, I really appreciate you being so respectful. This was a great way to start my day. Teachers, if you did not hear me when you came in, all of our lost and found items are back